What is going on, everybody? Hope everybody's having a great day today. We're going to be talking about Suretrader, what it is, how to use it, how to set it up, and I will be asking the final question: is Suretrader good for day trading? All right, so let's jump right into it here, guys. First, we're going to set this up, make it look all fancy, make it, make it look good and simple, and also have a lot of good functions. All right, so the first thing that I put up here in this corner is I put the account. So the reason why I did that is because I like to keep track of the commission, how many shares I had, the tickets, and my unrealized and my realized profit. So I just kind of threw that up in the corner, and yeah. All right, so the next thing that I'm going to throw under it here is positions. So now this is going to be when I actually am locked in a position, I will be able to see this information right here. This is a very easy way to keep track of, the average cost, the shares you have, make sure you're on the right account, and the stock symbol. So I always put that up there. We can actually, we can actually bump this out just a little more. You kind of got to play around with it until you figure it out, until it's good. Let's bump this out, make it even. All right, so now the next thing we're going to put under that is the orders. So now when I place an order, if that's, say it's a limit order or a market order, I will actually see it get filled right in here. So the reason why I do that is just to, just for my confirmation. It's just something I like to have. All right, so I like to always bump these out just to make sure they're all even. So once that is bumped, we can kind of bring this up, go under here, no title bar, and boom. All right, so then the next thing I want to do here is start putting charts up, and time and sales, and montage to buy and sell. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna throw there's multiple different ways you guys can do this, but we're just gonna go one. Okay, we're gonna go, I'll show you. We're gonna click montage. So this is actually how you buy and sell or short the stock. So boom, that's good there. We're gonna put another one. Hopefully we can fit 3. I think we should be able to, because we can push it up like that. So all right, so let's go. Let's put time and sales, buy it, and then boom, no title bar. Sometimes it does that if you have a Mac, because that's what I use, is it doesn't load up as fast. So it's just a little tip there. Now I'm going to just bump these out just so it'll be easier to work with. But alright, boom. So it's somewhat even. It's kind of off. I can't get it perfect. Alright, so now we're going to throw another one under here. So under trade, montage, boom. We're going to pop this right below it. No title bar. Then we're going to pop in a time and sales below it. So the time and sales is pretty much just the orders that are coming in. It's because I'm good. I would say I'm pretty good at ticker reading and tape reading, so that's what this is right here. So by looking at this, you can get a good direction of where the market's going. You can look for hidden sellers. It's kind of just best of both worlds. All right, we're gonna throw one more underneath here. All right, and then trade or quotes, time and sales. We're gonna pop this under here. All right. All right, let's pop this down a little more. like that. See, sometimes you always just gotta play around with it, kind of just figure out something that works good for you. So now we want to connect the time and sales to each of the montages. So it's very simple. You see this anchor, all you do is just click on it and drag it over. Boop, boop, and boop. Alright, so now we have three montages up. So if let's say I type in Apple, you'll be able to see the orders coming in. So for each the quantity is hundreds. So 5, you see the 5, that's 500, 1400. So this, by looking at this, I can get a direction, okay, this stock's moving down without even looking at the chart. Buyers are starting to step back in. But yeah, so that's why ticker reading is important. Next thing we're going to do here is we're going to put up some charts. Alright, so we're going to put up 3 charts here for each of these. So that, and then we want to make sure it's up more. So this one's going to be probably our go-to. So this is going to be our top stock on watch. So let's kind of bump this down a little. That's why I didn't alright, so that's about even, I would say. It doesn't have to be good, and you guys can play around with it once you sign up and figure it out here. So you just gotta fix that. Alright, let's bump this out, make it even. So, alright, so now let's add another chart here. First, make sure we grab the anchor, put it over. So I was right, direction's going down. Alright, so then let's get another chart up here under quotes, chart. Kind of make sure that they're even somewhat. Boom. Pop this under. Whoops. Yeah, so the biggest thing here is just kind of messing with it and kind of just figuring out what works for you. So that's connect this. Let's put what was a good stock today? SPI was moving. Alright, no title bar. Alright, and let's go no title bar up on top. See, sometimes you gotta do it I'm not sure. There it goes. Maybe it just doesn't load in as fast. But alright, so we're gonna pop in another chart under here. So now pretty much what I always do, guys, is I like to have 3. The reason why I set up 3 is because I think that is a good number to keep, good number of stocks to keep on watch. You're not gonna make yourself over nervous or anything like that. So let's pop this up. Let's drag these down a little bit. So now let's pull up. What's a stock here we can pull up? We can just go AMZN. I believe that's ticker name. Now let's connect it. Boom. Alright, so now this looks pretty good here. Let's pop that out. No, boom. Alright. So we're slowly getting there, guys. We're slowly getting there. So the next thing here is another chart. So the reason why I'm going to have this here, I'll show you guys here in a sec, is because I want to have a 5-minute chart up on here. Now the reason for that is because it's a lot easier to see trends. and I'll show you that. So let's connect it. So this right here is under 1 minute, and then this one we're going to make sure it's on 5. Alright, so let's do it again. Let's get another chart. I know this is kind of just like very repetitive, but it'll work out here. It'll work out here. So drag it over. Now we just gotta figure, you just gotta keep messing with it. I know I keep saying that, but you just gotta figure out, guys, what works for you. So let's pop out this, commit, there we go. Now let's drag the anchor across, boom, make sure we're under 5, looking good. Now we can also, you know, pop these up a little more if you guys want to make the charts a little bigger. You know, you guys can do that. That's a good way to you know, kind of make the charts a little more even. But you know, no big deal. Alright, so that one looks pretty good. Now we're gonna go to charts, and this one we can make a little different if you guys want. Now this is 100% up to you. I personally don't do it, but I know others need this, and it's a scanner, and they offer one. It's not the best, but we should talk about it here. So let's pop that in. Alright, so this is pretty much just a good overall way to you know, just to make things look clean and simple and not overcomplicate yourself, guys. So now let's talk about the scanning features. I'm trying to find, I believe it's under tools. Yes. So you got a scanner, and you can create your own scanner. So if you want a gap up or down, so we're gonna go up, price, let's go 1 to 15. Let's just leave that. Let's see. Oh, let's go and then just call it gappers. All right, so let's what the heck, did I click save? Right, let's go to modify. That's, I swear. Okay, so gappers. See, so this is, you know, the thing that is not very good. So scan, okay, here it is. It's finally up. So scan. Now we can configure these to make it look however you'd like. So this is, you know, the columns. So if you we're gonna add this, it's very simple. You just click on it and push it over, and then if you want, let's say, the size to go back, you just push it out, click commit, click scan, and then we're gonna filter it like this. So now if you guys want this, you guys can throw this off in a corner as well. You can just push this down. I'll show you guys here in a sec. Push it down, and we might need, looks like this thing just froze up on me. It's not making me left click. Okay, there, that's what I want. Title bar. Alright, so now we're like, this is 100% up to you guys if you want. You can throw in something like that, or like a scanner or some sort, and just have this chart down here be something that's like, you know, just kind of something, oh, if this happens then I'm going to do this. It's not like an A quality setup, it's just there. So you can either throw in a scanner, or they do have a, where is it, a top list. So the top lists are all the top stocks that are moving. So, you can take this, pop this in down here, and just kind of use that. And then you can even connect, let's say you want to connect this one to it. You just drag this, put it over. So now AMD, boom, up. You can click on stocks that are moving and have some sort of volatility. So this is just a good solid way to make something look easy, and it's not too complicated for your trading, guys. So this is how I would recommend setting it up. But they do offer a ton of other features like hotkeys, which are pretty much just a way of getting in and out of trades with ease. They do offer a couple other pretty cool things. There is a way where you can change the theme on it, but for me, I just kind of leave it up. I mean, as white. You can change it to black or blue or whatever else. I just leave it under white. I'm not gonna make it too complicated. I like it simple. Simple's the best, guys. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please sure to like, subscribe, comment if you are new. If you guys learned something, leave a thumbs up. If you guys got any questions, shoot it down in the comments. All right, so that's it though. Take care, everyone. Peace out.